Today, we are going to be talking about the four triangle congruence theorems. Each theorem is used to prove that two triangles are congruent to each other. The first theorem that I'll be talking about is the SSS congruence theorem, which stands for side, side, side. The SSS theorem is used when all three sides of a triangle are congruent to each other. Here is an example of when you can use the SS theorem, because as you can see, all three sides of both of the triangles are congruent to each other. The next theorem that I'll be talking about is the SAS congruence theorem, which stands for side angle side. This theorem is used if two sides and the including angle between one of the triangles are equivalent to two sides and the including angle of another triangle. This can also prove that two triangles are congruent to each other. The third theorem that I'll be talking about is the ASA congruence theorem. ASA stands for angle side angle and can be used when any two angles and the side included between the angles of one triangle are equivalent to the corresponding two angles and the side included between the angles of another triangle, like shown below. The last theorem that I'll be talking about, which is very similar to the ASA theorem, is the AAS theorem. AAS stands for angle, angle, side, and can be used when two angles and the non-included side of one triangle are congruent to two angles and the non-included side of another triangle.